Good morning, students. Did you all revise the portion yesterday we have learned? Yes. So, where did we stop? Yeah, did you revise about Margie, Tommy, teacher, mechanical teacher, or mother? Yes. Was it interesting for you? Yeah, did you read the pre-reading? Yes. Okay. So, let us go forward, right? Yes. So, where did we stop yesterday? Yes, yesterday Tommy informed Margie that human teachers will teach the students, not the robot. And at the same time, Margie was totally surprised and informed him that she doesn't want a strange man to come to her home to teach. She thought that teacher, that is human teacher, like the mechanical teacher, comes to her home and teach her. She thought in that way. So that is why she denied that I don't want a strange man to come to my home and teach me. She was not thinking about the school at that time. So listening this, Tommy was very much happy and he could not even control his laughter. Let us see what happened then. Tommy screamed with laughter. Oh, you don't know much, Maggie. The teachers did not have in the house and they had a special building and all the kids went there. Yes. So then after listening the words of my Margie, so Tommy laughed a lot and he explained to her that, oh Margie, you are mistaken. You don't know much about that. And he also explained that the teachers did not live in the house like mechanical teacher. At the same time, they have a special building and all the kids went there. You know, children, what is a special house? All the children go to study. You know, what is that? What is the name of that special building? That is known as school. Yes. So, in the previous time, it was there. That is, in the future time, obviously, these schools will be replaced by mechanical teachers. So, Tommy explained to her that so all the kids went there and all the kids went there. That was a special building that was known as school. And all the kids learned the same thing. Yes, again Margie expressed a doubt. Yes, Tommy, tell me. So all the kids go to school and all the kids learn the same thing. Sure, if they were at the same age, yes. Then even Tommy again cleared the doubt and he informed her that yes, all the kids learn the same thing. All the kids in the sense that if all the kids were of the same age, if same age children, they learn the same thing. So, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. If teachers and each kid has to be taught differently. Again, Margie expressed her doubt once again. My mother said that each kid has to be taught differently. What is that? See, you know, children, one thing in this class also, different types of children are sitting there. Some can learn quickly and some can learn slowly, you know, in that way. So the teacher, but he has to do, he has to find out these things and teach them accordingly and try to understand their problem and teach them accordingly. The same way Margie's mother also told the same thing. Yes, this the same. They did not do it. They do it. They will learn. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Then at the same time, Tommy again he became very much arrogant because Tommy was clearing all her doubt very clearly. Again, she was asking questions to question, questions to question. So finally, Tommy said, "See, if you don't want to read the book, you don't read it, okay?" Then I did not say I did not like it. Margie said quickly she wanted to read about those funny schools. Yes. Again, Margie told me it is not like that. I don't want that. It is not like that. I like that. Even I wanted to read the school. Even I wanted to read those funny schools. Why the school is known as funny school? That means, do you know why the school is known as the previous schools are known as funny schools? See, nowadays Margie, she is studying with the computer mechanical teacher. But olden days, that is at her grandfather's time, the children go to school. They go to school together. They do the homework together. They sit together. So Margie even could not believe that all the children do so like this. So that is why she thought that it was a funny school. So they were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. So what they were doing, what Tommy and Margie both of them were doing, they were reading the book. The book was about the school. That the previous book, real book, the book was about the school. They both of them they were reading the book. At that time, Margie's mother called, Margie, come here, your school time. That is, yes. Now, then Margie looked up, not at Mama, like all other children, like you also. Suppose your mother says that, okay, it is time for school. No, Mama, 5 minutes are left. Do you say like that? Yes. Yes, like this only. Margie also said, no, Mama, it is not like it is still it has time. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it is probably time for Tommy also. Yes, no, Margie, don't insist like that. It is now only. And she also informed Tommy, Tommy, it may be yours also. You may also go. It may be your class. So, it is a time for a class. So, Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Now, you can see in this line, Margie is very much excited to read the book. So, she asked Tommy, so can I ask this book mean which book? The real book about the school. Okay. Tommy, can I read this book after the school for some time more? That means she is very much excited to know that what happened in the old school. So, yes, maybe he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly mean not much enthusiasm, not much interest. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. He was not interested. Let us see. Okay. Then he kept his book under his arm and he went away. That means he has gone to his home because he also has school now. Margie went into the school. It was right next to her bedroom. So now Margie went to her school. Obviously, we know that where was her school? Where? It was next to her bedroom. Why it was next to her bedroom? Because it is the computer age and the mechanical teacher teaches the children. So her school was next to her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. See, now the mechanical teacher, accurate, timely, and the mechanical teacher was on himself and he was waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. See, the mechanical teacher on at the same time without any delay at the same time it's on every day except Saturday and Sunday. So that is we can imagine that Saturday and Sunday both the days are holidays for Margie. And why it on every day at the proper timing? Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Yes, actually, her mother used to say that little girls like Margie, they learn very well, they learn better if they learn in regular time. So that was a reason mechanical teacher on at the regular timing. So the screen now Margie is sitting in front of mechanical teacher. She has to learn now. The screen was lit up and it is said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Yes. As soon as Maggie sat in front of the mechanical teacher, it started speaking. So the screen was lit up and it has started teaching. Today what Margie is learning? Margie is learning about arithmetic lesson. So in the arithmetic lesson also addition of proper fractions. So today the mechanical teacher teaches the proper fractions in arithmetics to Margie. So please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. As every teacher asks before teaching, every teacher asks, yes, tell me about yesterday's homework. Have you done the homework? Have you learned the lesson? Have you read the lesson? So in this way, every teacher asks. In the same way, the mechanical teacher also asked Margie, okay, you keep your homework, yesterday's homework. Then Margie did so with a sigh. We know that now Margie was Margie was not taking so much interest in her studies, so he kept it with a sigh, without taking any interest. Why? Because she was thinking about the old schools they had, and her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. See, when she was sitting in front of the computer teacher, that is the mechanical teacher, at that time also, in her mind, there was only one thought. What was that? Oh, that is the grandfather's school. And now, how did they go to school? She was thinking about that school. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. She was thinking all these things when she was sitting in front of the mechanical teacher. What she was thinking? That is, she was thinking about the old school. That is, grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. He used to go to that old school. In that old school, what are the specialities are there? That is, the whole neighborhood children go together in the school. They laugh and shout in the schoolyard. They play in the schoolyard and they sit in the classroom. And at the same time, at the end of the day, they go back to their home together. And this thought was this thought was in her mind when she was sitting in front of the mechanical teacher. That means we can imagine that she does not taking she is not at all taking interest in studies with the mechanical teacher after reading the book. They learned the same thing, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And one of the most positive things she has seen that those children, the children, they go together, they learn the same thing. That means, as I told you, when the children go to school, obviously the same age children, they learn the same thing. In the same way, here also, the same age children, they learn the same thing. That means she was thinking about all those things when she was sitting in front of the mechanical teacher. So, if they learn the same thing, what is that? Because they can even help each other for the homework, and they can even talk about uh, their subject and everything. Suppose, for example, I tell you, suppose you did not come to school today, you did not come to school yesterday. Okay, then what will you do? So you just ask your classmate that about the work. What did the teacher teach? Okay, what was the homework? In the same way, you inquire about all those things. Okay, in all the subjects, even you may ask a copy also. Even you may ask the notebook also to copy down the work. Obviously, that is well. Yes, in the same way, Margi was thinking the same thing that that is, yes, if we can go to school at then at that time what will happen? We can talk about the homework, we can talk about the lessons and everything. We can also copy down the homework. The same way you do nowadays. The same thing Margi was thinking in those days. The children did all those things. And even one of the most important thing that the teachers were people. Yes, that is nowadays Margi. At the time of Margi, what is the teachers are? The teachers are mechanical teachers, that is robots. Okay, but in those days, when grandfather was a young boy, the teachers were people. That was a difference. That the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Yes, now we know that Margi, who is sitting in front of the screen, that is mechanical teacher, and the mechanical teacher today he is going to teach about arithmetic, that is addition of proper fraction. So in the same way, the flash in front of a screen, the mechanical teacher is teaching arithmetic, and he is teaching, okay, when we add the fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, then what may be the answer? In this way, the mechanical teacher is teaching Margi. But Margi, what is the condition of Margi? Margi was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days, and she was thinking about the fun they had. But Margi, she was not concentrating all those things. Margi was not concentrating all those things because she loved the book about the school. Because in the school, what is there? In olden days, the kids must have loved the olden days. The kids must have loved the school. The kids must have loved the courtyard of this school. In this way, she was thinking about all the things. The kids must have gone together. They sat together in the school. And they copied the work together. In the same way, she was thinking all those things, and at the same time she was thinking all the fun they had. They had mean the grandfather was a young boy. That at that time the children they had fun. So all those things she had, and that means in that computer age also the child doesn't want to study with the robot. She wants to come to the olden time. That is, in the olden days, how did the children study? She found it is a fun they had, obviously. Why she found a fun? She found it as a fun because the reason was that, yes, the reason she's when we compare her school, she is sitting alone in the computer teach in front of the computer teacher, that is a mechanical teacher. But in olden days, what was that? The children sit in group. The children go to the neighborhood. Children go to school together. They sit together. They laugh and shout in front of the courtyard. They do the work together. They have the same work. They study together. In this way, these are the things. So in this way, Margi liked all those things. So that is why she thought that it was really a fun. But now, in front of the mechanical teacher, she is sitting. That is really very boring for Margi. So that is why she was thinking the fun they had. That is a title of the story is also the fun they had. Fun they had mean the fun which the old people, that is Margi's grandfather's grandfather was a young boy. At that time, the children had a fun about the school. That is a title of the story also. So that is the end of the story. I hope you all have got it. I hope, did you all get it? Yes? Okay. Once again, you have to read it. Read all those things thoroughly, and at the same time, some questions are there. NCERT questions. First, we discuss the NCERT questions. Question number 1, and even some long questions are there, and these questions you have to do in the notebook. So first, let us discuss the questions in the class. So you have to answer. I will ask you the questions and you have to answer. Okay. Okay. Let us start the questions, and that is the answer the following questions briefly. The first question, I'll ask you to try to give the answer. First question, how old are Margie and Tommy? How many of you knows the answer? How old are Margie and Tommy? Okay, how many of you knows the answer? Yes. Okay. The answer is Margie is 11 years and Tommy is 13 years old, right? Okay, nice. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? Yes. What did Margie write in her diary? In the beginning, I told you, this is a diary entry of Margie. What she was writing. You know the answer? Yes. So Margie wrote, today Tommy found a real book. What did she write? She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. Question number 3. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Yes. See, let me know, Margie ever seen a book before? Book means in the sense a real book. Tell me, did she ever seen? No? Yes. No, Margie had not seen a book before. She had not seen a book before. She had seen when Tommy bought a book. Right. Question number 4. What things about the book did she find strange? Yes. When she got the book, that is when Tommy showed the book, she found it very strange. What things she found it strange? Yes, tell me. Yes, Margie found it strange that the words they were reading were static. Yes. They did not move like the words in the telebook. In the telebook, the words move. At the same time, the real book, the words were static. That means they don't move. Yes. Next question. What do you think a telebook is? Telebook, what is telebook? Yes, a telebook is a book that can be displayed on a computer screen. Yes. Yes, a telebook is a book that can be displayed on a computer screen. Yes. Next, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? In the beginning, I told you where was Margie's school. Yes, Margie's school was next to her bedroom. Yes, and tell me, did she have any classmates? Tell me. Like you, she had any classmate? No, Margie had no classmate. She was sitting in her room alone and studying. Yes. Yes, the next question is, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Tell me the subjects they learned. Yes, they learned geography, history, arithmetics, etc. Yes, mainly these 3 subjects they learned. geography, history, arithmetics, etc. Yes. Now, there are two questions, and these two questions you have to answer with the reference to the story. Okay, I'll read the reference and you have to answer. Question number 1. The reference is, I would not throw it away. Who says these words? I would not throw it away. Who says these words? Who says? Tell me. Yes, Tommy says these words. What does it refer? Next question. What does it refer to? It means what? Tell. Yes, it means the book. That is the real book which he has brought. Next question from the same context. What is it being compared with by the speaker? What does it being compared with the speaker? It is, yes, tell me the answer. It is there. It means a book. Which is being compared? Yes, it is being compared with the telebooks. Yes, the real book, it is being compared with the real book. The real book which is being compared with the telebooks. Yes, question number 2. That is the next context. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. Yes, okay. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. Now, question number 1. Who does they refer to? Yes. They means, tell me what is that? They means the kids of olden times. Because they had a regular teacher. That means the kids, they had a regular teacher. The kids of olden times. Question number 2. What does regular mean here? Yes. What is regular here? Tell me what is the meaning of regular? It means normal or of the usual kind. The normal school. They go to regular school mean the usual school. Regular teacher mean usual. That is normal teacher. Yes, normal. Next question. What is it contrasted with? Yes. It is contrasted. It means here there's a teacher. It was, So, that is the human teacher. Human teacher is contrasted with the mechanical teacher. Yes? Yes. Next, you have to answer the questions again. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Tell me. Yes, that is you can easily say. Yes, Margie and Tommy had a mechanical teacher, robotic teachers. Next, why did Margie's mother sent for the county inspector? Why? Why did she send for county inspector? Because Margie was not performing well in geography. Yes. To find out this reason, Margie's mother sent for the county inspector. What did the county inspector do? What did he do? Yes, the county inspector slowed down the mechanical teacher of Margie up to an average 10-year level. Then question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Yes, that is, yes, why she was doing badly? Because the mechanical teacher was geared a little too high. Okay, so the county inspector set the geography sector at a level of 10 years. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? What happened? Yes, Tommy's teacher, that is Tommy's mechanical teacher, had blanked out completely. So the county inspector had taken away for a month to be repaired. Did Maggie have a regular days and hours for school? Yes, Maggie had regular hours. Yes. Margie had regular hours of the school. That is, Margie's mechanical teacher was always on the same time except on Saturdays and Sunday. Right? Now, how was Tommy described the old kind of school? Tommy says that the old kind of school was a special building where kids from the whole neighborhood come and study. That is the last question. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Tell me. He says that the old kind of teachers, they were human. Okay, they were human beings, not mechanical teachers. And they taught in the same room, that is in the school building. They taught the kids of the same age the same thing. So they told the boys and girls the same thing, gave them homework and asked them questions like your teachers do. So in the same way, we have completed the chapter with the question answers. So I request all of you to revise it very well and maintain the notebook and complete the work. And tomorrow we will study the next chapter. That is, the poem is here, the second poem we will study. So revise this chapter once again and do the work in the notebook. Thank you, children. Have a fantastic